Hello Aries, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. Aries, this is your reading for the month of this is not particularly for the month of April, this is rather specifically for 29th of March and period in and around that. Because see Aries, 29th of March is considered as a bit of an inauspicious day. Okay, and because there are six planets that are getting conjunct into the sign of Pisces. Okay, we have Saturn, then we have Sun, Moon, Venus, Mercury, and we also have Rahu, that is the North Node, that is coming together with other planets. So this conjunction is not considered auspicious, and we also have solar eclipse on 29th of March. We also have new moon on 29th of March. So all these things coming together on one single day is considered slightly inauspicious, and it's not necessary that the impact will happen immediately on 29th of March. It might happen before or after as well. So we'll also see like what are the things that you need to know regarding this period. Is there anything that you have to be cautious about? Okay, so this is going to be a quick reading. There is no extended reading for this one, right? So let's get started now. Let's see what you need to know, Aries. Let's see what you need to know regarding the space of 29th of March. What do you need to know regarding the space of 29th of March? Five of Swords, yeah. Negative elements are getting activated. Okay, Five of Swords. There are like people, I do feel like people are waiting for some sort of an opportunity so that they can come towards you with some sort of an attack. That's what I'm getting. Negative elements. There is one thing for sure, that on 29th of March, negative elements are getting activated. Okay, negative elements will get triggered, and they will feel like, no, I need to do something to satisfy my soul. And the first card that popped out is Five of Swords. Okay, so be careful about people in and around you. It's quite possible that some people are planning something, they are trying to do behind your back, but I also feel like they won't be successful. Okay, because you are going to, if even if they try to do something behind your back, and even if they try something against you, they won't be successful. You're going to defeat them. That's what I'm getting with the Five of Swords. They are coming towards you underestimating your power. They don't know how strongly protected you are, and on the top of it, how powerful you are. Okay, so just this is probably like an heads up for you, right? There is something that you need to know. Yeah, you will find yourself in some sort of confusion. You will sort of feel, should I trust people in and around me or not? Your intuition will constantly try to tell you like there is something that is fishy that is going on. There is something that you need to know about someone. There is more to this than what meets the eye. Okay, your intuition, your gut instinct will constantly try to tell you something about someone, or about a group of people, or about a situation. Okay, and that's why you'll find yourself in a dilemma. So the best thing would be, do not make any kind of decision during this period. Avoid making any sort of important decisions during this period. Okay, then we have Knight of Swords. Lot of swords cards, guys. Lot of swords at the bottom of the deck. Also, we have eight of swords. It's more or less a similar energy. Maybe someone from the past is trying to come back. Okay, but this person's intention is to keep you stuck. If anyone from the past is trying to come back, Aries, their intentions are not good. Their intentions are definitely to keep you stuck. Their intentions are to keep you stuck in a certain loophole. Okay, they probably will try to confuse you a lot. Okay, you will find yourself thinking about this person a lot. Oh, is this person good to me, or is this person bad for me? There are times when this person is really nice to me, and then all of a sudden this person vanishes from the scenario. They end up ghosting you, and so you'll find yourself stuck in that loop. Okay, you'll find yourself thinking about this person a lot. You'll find yourself thinking about their rights and the wrongs, right doings and the wrongdoings, right? uh, but this person, whoever, if this is an ex, I don't think so this person has any good intentions for you. Okay, they have that sense of entitlement towards you, but this person doesn't think about your happiness. That's what I'm feeling. They think about what they want. Okay, the Devil and the Nine of Cups, yeah. I'm telling you, there is this energy of someone wants to control your life, Aries. Okay, and this person is becoming restless. Probably you have freed yourself from a certain situation. Now, this can also be a family member. That's what I'm getting. Many karmics will come to the surface. Okay, many karmics. Now, karmics need not necessarily be limited only to romantic situations. Your family members can also be your karmics in your life. Okay, they are getting and it's quite possible you might have distanced yourself, emotionally distanced yourself. You have stopped dealing with them, engaging with them, talking to them, whether these are some of your friends, whether these are your family members, whether these are your exes. They are getting triggered, and they have this they will find this need and the necessity to control you. Like, how come Aries has freed themselves from our clutches? No, I want to control Aries's life. I want to decide the course of path or the direction for Aries. I will decide how Aries should live his or her life. Okay, you're actually also wish fulfillment for many, but again, many people will show interest in you romantically, but I do feel like there you gotta exercise some caution. Okay, because it's more about what they want from you rather than how would you also feel with them. Okay, there is a there is this I do feel like you will narcissists are getting attracted towards you. Okay, uh that's what I'm getting. So what else you need to know, what else you need to know for this period of 29th of March, or 29th of March and period in and around that? King of Cups is telling me that yes, you're attracting romantic interest, no doubt about it. Okay. There is love that is coming your way, Ten of Wands. You probably might end certain relationships which are looking toxic. Okay. Maybe you're feeling like enough is enough. I cannot tolerate this anymore. Right? The Five of Cups. People from the past who are missing you will try to get in touch with you. I feel like the excess or people who have troubled you a lot are, oh my god, yeah, that's what exactly I was gonna say. People who have troubled you a lot are gonna get some karmic punishments. Justice will be served. In some cases, I'm also getting that some of them are gonna face jail time, prison time, is what I'm hearing. And I pulled out justice. Okay, so yeah, there is some sort of law enforcement that is getting involved. Okay, might not be major, but yes, something is happening. You have to remain strong. Some people from the past might try to reach out to you. Be strong and beware about whatever is happening in this entire scenario, right? All right, I hope this resonates. Hit like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Till then, take care. Have a great time. And bye bye, Aries. This is your spread. Bye and take care.